I am ROSHNA. My AA experiment topic is Sketch-RNN Demos, draw together with a neural network. Visual communication is a key part of how people convey ideas to one another. From a young age, children develop the ability to depict objects and arguably even emotions with only a few pen strokes. These simple drawings may not resemble reality as captured by photograph, but they do tell us something about how people represent and reconstruct image of world around them. In this experiment, In this experiment, we made an interactive web experiment and lets you draw together with a recurrent neural network. That model was called Sketch-RNN. We thought this neural net to draw by training it on millions of doodles collected from Quick Draw Game. Once we choose an first demo, it has an option for info and random and clear and model selection and also save button. It says with the starting message, start drawing this one model. We choose a model cat. It's time to take Sketch-RNN market model. Its model was trained by using Sketch Quick Draw games. They are also collect millions of models from there. We draw a cat. It will just also predict what will draw. That's a neural network benefits. Maybe it will resemblance. Maybe it will true. Yeah, I also predicted. We click an option and Sketch-RNN is loading spider mode because we can they, the machine think that we can maybe draw a draw next one spider or this drawing may be like two spider drawings. This and next demo was multiple mul- multiple prediction. We can choose an option flower. It will time take to loading model flower. Also it will come. Okay. We can draw flower. In this demos, in small windows, variety of predictions at a time. So that was very helpful. We click an random option. It will backpack proportion. It's loading to backpack predictor. Next demo was with how they will get it two options. The two options not, it will incomplete drawings. That was Sketch-RNN is also able to move from one drawing to another drawing. In the interpolation demo, you can get the model to randomly generate two images using two randomized buttons. We can choose a model, bicycle, the randomize one option and randomize two option. We click on interpolate button. It will show what the variety of doodles of bicycle. Next demo is auto encode demo. It's a mimic one. And the model mimic drawing of your drawing similar doodles. We choose an option in key. We can draw. If we want to click auto encode, it's a mimic one. How is we draw? Also, I click random option. It's to load the mail. It's my AI experiment. Thank you.